Hi guys, welcome to KONYA World Family. I'm here guys to share with you my beauty tips and tricks that I use to achieve flawless makeup looks. And if you're interested, stick with me and don't forget to subscribe, like, of course, comment, share with your friends, family. But all I want to say is thank you for stopping by. What? Kilimanjaro na Arusha.
So I bought these things from Gratis, Eve, and Watson store. I just put them all in one bag of Eve, and they are affordable makeup stuff in Eve store, Gratis, and Watson's. In case you're interested to buy any makeup stuff, you can go and check them out.
We are going to the market. This is the market. We're going to shop. But this one is my favorite. I also like this rice. I need rice. Oh, take your juices that you want. Patakal. Oh. I'm going to take rice. I'm going to take this one because I really like them. The green peas. Are you going to take this? No. Juice. So these are the things we bought so far. Got what we want and we are going home now. Enter from there, come out from there, and these are our things. So let's get home. Eh? Like on her? Yeah, like when you are sleeping. I'm going to wait on that to finish to cook a little bit, then I'm going to check it back later. But meanwhile, I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Now let me check on my baby.
So my food is ready and it's rice and chicken. I hope you guys you like it. I like it so far. You're all welcome to test it. All right. So after here guys, I'm going to do my skincare routine. This is my night simple skincare routine. I'm just using a face mask. It's charcoal face mask. And after that, I'm going to wash my face and then I'm going to shower. And that's it for today guys. I hope you have all enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, of course, comment, share with your friends. See you. Thank you so much. Kisses.